Hey guys, welcome to Couch Potato Get Fit, and here is our kettlebell challenge, our kettlebell workout for today. I hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Couch Potato Get Fit, and also our workouts are available on the Apple and on the Google Play Store. Tap the link in my bio. Couch Potato Fit app is available. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to actually start with goblet squats for 1 minute. Let's go. Great work, guys. 45-second break, all right? 45 seconds. Next we have clean and press, okay? For 1 minute, all right? Two, one, let's go. Great work, guys. 45-second break. All right, then we'll jump right back into it. We're gonna go right into clean press with the left arm, okay? 45-second break. Next, we're actually going to go right into kettlebell swings. So now guys, we're going to do a sumo deadlift for 1 minute, okay? So we're going to add a challenge into this, the last 30 seconds, okay? We're going to add a high pull, okay? Let's go. Stay with me, guys. Stay with me. Now guys, this was a kettlebell workout from yours truly. Now, this workout is a good routine. You can do almost every other day. You'll burn calories, you'll break a sweat, you'll get your cardiovascular going. Well, now remember, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more free workouts, and the Couch Potato Fit app is available on the Apple App Store and in the Google Play Store. So I want you guys to take advantage, and we have more workouts on the way. Couch Potato, get fit.